Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reorganizing my room and I'm going to be showing you guys how I reorganized it. You definitely want to stay until the end of the video so I can show you guys how it all turned out. If you haven't already, subscribe down below and let me know what kind of videos you guys want me to make. I'm filming the intro after I filmed the video, so I guess I'll just like backtrack a little bit. I'll give you guys a quick overview of the room. I have this crate that my big gave me. It has my name on it on the other side. I'm not really sure what to do with it. I just want to kind of like put all my perfumes, my lotions in there. And over there, I kind of just have my bags because I used to have them there. And then like I have these. I plan to leave these here though. I just don't know what to do with this empty wall right here. It just kind of bothers me a little. So over here I have my mirror. I just want to like organize it, and then again I have like an empty wall over here, and then I have my desk right here. So over here I have my desk. I'm thinking of making it like a makeup area. Over here I have like my little chest that you guys saw in the background of every single one of my videos, and then I just have like a whole bunch of random stuff everywhere. Okay, so this is like my biggest DIY project. I want to make it an inspiration board and just hopefully it'll turn out fine. Okay, so first I'm definitely gonna do my bed first and clean up a little bit more, and then I'll keep you guys posted. Okay guys, it's the next day because I got super busy yesterday after I filmed that last clip. But yeah, I just kind of cleaned up my bedroom just a little bit just to kind of like organize some space. I currently put everything that was here over here just to have it just there. And then I'm gonna just finish putting everything here and then start creating a more organized piece over here. And I think I'm just gonna put a whole bunch of creative things over here. I just have so many things I don't want anymore and I don't know what to do with them. It's getting on my nerves because I've been cleaning my room for a very long time now. Ever since I moved my furniture around, I threw out so many things that I don't need anymore. So I guess I'll just catch up with you guys later. I have all these containers, and then I have all these things that quite frankly I do not know where to put, and then I still have all those things in my bed that I do not know where to put. So far how it's coming along is that I have my high school diploma over here, and then I have like my CTA letters, this holographic notebook, I love it. I put the cork board over here just to later turn it into a inspiration board. Over here I have two of the canvases that I got from my big, and then over here I have like my other three canvases that I got, and then my desk, and then I've been cleaning. Okay guys, I finally finished. Here's my mirror. I put the canvas there, and then over here I put more canvases, and then over here I put like a inspiration kind of corner. Here I have my high school diploma, and then I have my letters that my big gave me, and then I have my candle there. I put my bag there, and then I have my makeup, and then my computer. Yeah, we come back all over again. I left this part the same with my bed, but yeah, that's kind of it for this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really did forget to film an outro while I was filming an outro, but I'll see you guys next time. Bye!